In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ETH in MetaMask. First, open MetaMask on your iPhone, Android device, or browser extension. This is the gateway to your cryptocurrency transactions. When you launch the app, you will see the familiar MetaMask Fox logo. The interface is user-friendly, designed to make your navigation smooth. If you're using a mobile device, the app opens directly to your wallet, while the browser extension will display your wallet on the main screen. Make sure you have your wallet set up and ready to go. This step is essential because it's how you will interact with the Ethereum network and manage your assets. Now, you can get ETH in MetaMask in several ways. This flexibility is one of the great features of MetaMask. It allows you to obtain Ethereum directly within the app or extension. You have multiple options to choose from, depending on what is most convenient for you. Whether you prefer using a credit card, bank transfer, or other payment methods, MetaMask has you covered. This means you do not have to leave the app to acquire ETH, making the process seamless and efficient. Next, tap Buy on the home screen. This option is prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Once you tap it, a list of available payment methods will appear. MetaMask supports various payment options, including debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. Depending on your region, the available methods might vary. This variety ensures that you can choose a payment method that suits you best, saving you time and providing convenience. After that, select Ethereum, or ETH, and choose the network you want to use. For most users, the Ethereum Mainnet is the standard choice. This step is crucial because the network determines how your transaction is processed. Selecting the correct network ensures that your ETH is delivered properly to your wallet. You will see a list of networks, and you just need to make sure Ethereum Mainnet is highlighted. This small detail is significant as it directly impacts your transaction's speed and success. With the network selected, enter the amount of ETH you want to buy. Be sure to consider your budget and how much ETH you actually need. This input field is straightforward, making it easy to specify your desired amount. After entering the amount, you will also need to choose a payment provider. MetaMask is smart. It compares quotes from multiple providers to help you find the best deal. This feature is particularly helpful because it ensures you get competitive rates when purchasing Ethereum. Once you have made your selections, complete the payment process. You will be directed to the payment provider's interface where you will finalize your transaction. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. After you confirm the payment, wait for the transaction to be processed. Once the transaction is confirmed, the ETH will appear in your MetaMask wallet. This confirmation is a reassuring sign that your transaction was successful and your funds are now available for use. Alternatively, you can tap your wallet address to copy it or display its QR code. This is useful if you choose to send ETH from an exchange such as Binance or from another wallet. Simply paste your wallet address where required on the exchange or app you are using. This method allows you to fund your MetaMask wallet without needing to buy ETH directly through the app. It gives you flexibility in managing your cryptocurrency assets. Finally, remember that MetaMask is a self-custody wallet. This means you control your funds directly and do not need an exchange account to buy ETH through MetaMask. This level of control is essential in the cryptocurrency world as it enhances your security and privacy. Knowing that your assets are truly yours can provide peace of mind as you navigate the world of digital currency.